Um, this should be on now. Um, hello? I hope this is on. Let me check on the, oh, that's my Google Chrome. That is me. That is me, and I'm on. Sick. Um, hello. We're doing some work today. So, I sort of fucked up. I just fucked up a little bit because I was like, hey, it'd be really fun to do? Let's make a game where you manually put in, like, the bullets. And I did that, and it was really fucking boring. So I've changed my approach with, like, 2 weeks left. So I'm basically screwed. Um, at this point, I'm not going to win. And I've accepted that. But, we're gonna still give it a shot. We're still gonna give it a shot. Because that's life. I don't like this. Okay. So, today, the goal is, we're gonna, don't actually have a goal today. let's work on the enemy AI. So I'm gonna figure out this. So I have this. I kind of want to remove it because I'm not actually using sprites. So I'm just gonna restart the editor. Which sucks, but it is what it is. Okay, so the plan is today I'm going to implement the state machine, the new state machine library if it's available. State machine, yeah. So what I can do is if I create enemy AI using this, I'd be happy with that. I'd be pretty good. I'd be reasonably, this might be the best bet. So I don't know how to do this, so I'm gonna see if there's documentation online. Shit, no. First punch, surely there's like some, oh, also I just realized it's like right next to my, right next to my thing. Alright. Surely there's something here. Surely. Zix, please. I don't even know anymore. I think ideally we'll just figure this out as I go. So let's see. State machine. Open an editor. Okay, so create a state. Let's go idle. Let's create another state that goes searching. So can I... Okay. Add delay action condition. So if I right click this, I click, so that's initial, that I can rename. So from idle to searching, we can do an action. So I could probably use that for there. And I'll create one called attack or hunt. So, and what are the conditions like? Okay, right. Is output just gonna be that? So if I edit this and I go, can I return? How do I guess if this is equal to, let's just go if, I'll figure that out. I'll figure that out in a second. So basically we go hunt, and then I think if we create one called attack, we can drag that in, and then we'll just add a delay, hunt, add an action. So from hunt to attack. Okay, hunt to attack. We can do something. So that's fun. I'm fine with that. And then this is edit condition. Can I, like, if I rename this, is that how that works? Test. Okay, so this action from there, and then I'll do a delay of 1 second. So, okay, but if I wanted to run something initially when I get to hunt, how would I do that? I'm a little confused about that, but I think for now this is a good start. So, undeniably idle, and then when we get... If we can manually trigger a thing, I would be happy with that. Like, if I could get... because I would prefer to run this all in code. But this is arguably a lot more modular. So if I have this idle pose, right? Idle to searching. So if I add an action, idle to searching would be one thing, and I can have behavior on an AI component that says, okay, we're in searching now, so let's do this. And then searching to hunt. Hunt is walking down and getting them. So if we're in hunt mode, do this, and then on the transition to attack, we can play one animation. Okay. I am seeing this, and I'm liking this. I am liking this. I'm just gonna add this to here. So in this action, if I go hunt to attack, and if I was to get... Do I have citizen animation helper on here? I don't. Okay. So if I was to edit this condition, no, edit the action, reference this, which also needs to reference this, and then I can go citizen animation helper, and then I can just do where's the attack? Do we not have attack? Is weapon load, sitting target, trigger jump, trigger deploy. This should be working. Maybe I just have, maybe there's not enough room? No, there seems to be enough room. Hang on. Is weapon load, is climbing, is grounded, is no clipping, is sitting. It should work. And it should be doing stuff. Okay. A little confusing. In this instance, I can genuinely just do the, yeah, I might just have to manually set the, thing via the skin model renderer, which is a little annoying, because usually that's fine. Usually that just works, but, like, I guess it's alright. C, target, B, attack. I think it's B, attack. And then bool to true. Let me just double check. Yeah, if my goal is to get a basic thing done. Where is this? My goal is to get a very basic enemy AI done tonight, and then afterwards I can focus on other things. parameters, it's B attack, B underscore attack. So I need to set the hold type to pistol, and then I can, yeah. So that won't immediately look very good, but so if I go here, edit action, B underscore attack. Okay, so that's alright. So I'm fine with that. Now I do want to see how you can actually get this via code. That is one of the most important things. So I'm gonna start playing some background music because it might be getting a little dark. God, I don't know. What won't get a DMCA? Let's just put on Halo music, why not? That's not a DMCA right there, right? That's fine. So now there's actually background audio. How does it feel? How does it feel? That's great. I need to figure out the microphone situation. It's not very well done. Yes, that's probably good. Sorry. Yeah, I don't have the best microphone set up right now. It's either very loud or you just hear. It's very quiet or you just hear the clicking of my keys. Can I just like increase the audio? Yeah, 125%. That's probably as good as it's gonna get from over here, but I don't know about the audio quality, so let me look at the stream. Yeah, this is probably good enough. If it's too loud, people can yell at me. Right. So let's get back to work. So idle, we'll set up a condition for that. I feel like if we can check, if we just like, if we have, I do have an RPG agent set up. If I can get like a detection, like is detecting enemy, and I can just check that. I can check that every frame, or not every frame, whenever this is called, that would work. I think the issue is if we have something like, say a sound is played and it's triggered to the thing, that's going to be kind of tough to do, but we can get around that. Ideally, I could, like, if the sound is triggered, we just cache the value, and then whenever we need to check, we can just, like, if this cache value is true, that's fine. That's relatively easy to do. So this will be, the condition here will be something I make myself. Searching will be, like, if you haven't seen him, like, if you think the player's around, we'll be searching. If you know the player is around, then go hunt. But I think ideally right now, let's just skip the middleman, and we can go to searching when I feel like I have more time. And then there's 1 second, so we go here to hunt, and then when the condition's true, we can attack, and then when it's not, we just do that. So that's easy. That will work. Okay, so I think the first thing we can do is for hunt is okay. I'm gonna hack something together. Wait, so if I go here, I set this to true, and I play, and then I go here. Why is that not the right one? Okay, but that's working. That is working. That is what we want. I just don't have the correct, I don't think I saved this properly. So. Okay. Why is that still showing up as searching? That shouldn't be. Okay, so it's just not going to let me save now. Seriously, is this not going to work? It's not working. Okay, I'm going to restart the editor again and see if that does it. This should work. It is supposed to work. I think maybe something just bugged out, and maybe it was me pressing one of the buttons that I shouldn't have. Okay. Dummy. Open an editor. And then, okay, so that's just gonna permanently be there, unless, what if I do delete and save? That's not working. Okay, so this is a bug. If I was to create a new one and go test, and then, you know, so that saves. Wait, if I go test, right, that saves. If I delete this, go that doesn't save. So new ones save. Does that save? That saves. Maybe it's the fact that I still have transitions here. Like, I get rid of this, clear condition, delete that, delete that. Okay, if I just delete this now. I have an idea. I'm not going to enjoy this. I'm going to manually get rid of this. Oh, that's very bright. I'm going to put this around here for now while I just do this. Dummy. Yeah. State machine component. State searching. So if I just get rid of that. And anything with ID of 3 is the plan. Oh no, that should work. Okay, so I go here to dummy, and I deleted the wrong one. Please let me delete this one now though. Fuck, you're joking. Okay. Okay, let's see. Found it. I genuinely think it's because it's the first ID. It's ID 1. You can't delete it. So I'm gonna set that to a random ID like 6. And we'll just try that. So and that's still not working. Okay. I'm just gonna get rid of it. Please, for the love of God, tell me this works. Okay, it's gone now. We are sort of left with not much. Attack, hunt. I'm fine. I'm more fine with this. Make this one have a delay of 1 second. Hunt to attack to have a delay of Oh, are you serious? It's not gonna let me. And that's still not gonna let me, that's not letting me click it. God damn it. Okay. I can click that one, why can't I click the other one? Okay, we're gonna have to make do with this. Because I don't know what the hell's going on. Joking. Okay, now that's gonna work. That's fine. Okay, so let's get RPG agent. I'm gonna strip this down because I have it set up to double for both the player and the double for both the player and an NPC. But I don't like that very much. So this is all like old stuff that I never really did. So let's just go bool. And that's right, I need to get rid of all these encounters. That was from when this was going to be turn-based. And now I need to get rid of all this. Okay. Right. I'm just gonna... I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna get rid of it. Why not? Hopefully that didn't mess up too much. But I think I still have a couple missing components now. Oh, no, they're just all gonna be gone. Yeah. As an aside, I've got some pretty unique stuff coming up. This is gonna be really cool, if I get this right. Right now it is just using, the pistol as a placeholder, but I'll actually be getting a bow soon. Oh, you know what'd be good? The rust crossbow. I could have used that. I'm not gonna bother hooking it up now, but that would have been genius. So before I destroy everything with particles, I'm just gonna go the default arrow. Yeah, that should be good. Right, so you know what as well I can do? I can also set a timer, can't I? Like, hunt to attack has to have a delay of 3 seconds, and I can just do that. And then I can also create an action here, which I will, hunt to attack is gonna be here, and then, actually I do need to come here to start the RPG agent, and just have that to, do I think I do need to make it public. So, let's just start here. So if I go add condition, components, can see player. So if I go from here to here, so because I'm not setting that to true directly, but that should make it so this is so this should be working. Hunt has a delay of 3 seconds, doesn't have a condition. Oh, we're doing this again? Are you serious? This doesn't have any conditions, but it should be going to attack. Unless I need to manually add a condition and say it's true. Like, what happens if I do this? It said it's here. Before it just wasn't gonna do it. Before it would like, or it would actually show before. A bit of a bug there. Like, what happens if I remove the delay? And I remove the action? Don't have an action. If I go here. Yeah, so that works. So if I set the delay on this one to 1 second. Okay. I set the delay on that to 1 second. Why is it not running? Unless I clear the delay and then that goes wild. If I add delay, does it have to have a condition? Like, if I go here, okay, well, I mean, at the very least we know this works. I'm gonna have to figure this out at some point. I feel like I've just done this, but if I added a delay to both of them, okay, so this transfers to here. That does it immediately, and I guess maybe the 1 second delay might be from this running again. Like, if I got rid of this delay, no, what the fuck? Okay. Ideally, I don't need this. So I'm gonna get rid of this. And then that still runs as normal, and there's still that 1 second delay. And if I was to edit the delay here to like 3. Okay, look, that works. Undeniably, that works. We're gonna have to deal with that. Having a 3 second delay isn't bad. So let's add an action here. We'll grab this. Actually, to start off, I'm gonna add an action here. In this transition, I'm gonna grab the body there. Hold type, I'm gonna set to be pistol, and we're gonna set it here in this transition. So when this starts, we'll do that, and then that is set up. That is what we want. Yeah. Okay, so that works. And then here in this action here, we want this, and we're gonna set here to be true. I think this would work. Yeah, look at that. Okay. So we are firing at 3 second intervals then. I'm happy with that. Ideally, we don't need a timer. We just need to check if the player is true. Could we actually add a... If we go here, can we add a timer with a condition? I don't know. So what if in here, I go... In here as well, okay, I can go add delay... You know what'd be good? If we have a hunt, we have a delay of like 1 second, we can update the player navigation. No, I would want to do navigation shit in a component. If state does not equal idle. Okay, so that works. So we can flesh this out at some point. We honestly can. But that, as a start that works. So then what I think would be cool is if in this hunt, so this is always going to be there. You know what? Let's just bite the bullet and let's just see how it is. So let's go nav mesh. Get scene. Can I actually grab the scene components get enabled descendants, and we want the type to be player controller. Alright, so then we go here, we want to set move to target position, player controller, component, transform, dot, I should move this up. Transform, position. Okay, so then we get this, set that to that, and we start tracking the player. And what would that parameter be? I wasn't paying attention. Scene. I'll just do that. I'll hack it together. Okay, actually, I did forget to do that. And that's not moving, because I probably don't have the nav mesh enabled. Yeah. Yeah, look at that, okay. So that goes there. That works. It's just very... not good. So ideally we could have a radius, and if the player's within the radius, we can stop them from moving. I like this. I'm liking this. This is easy to set up. Okay, and we can do all the weird... Okay, actually, I'm just gonna set something up now so it's fun. So we're gonna grab the citizen animation helper. This is temporary. I'm probably gonna use Terry, or at the very least his animations, for the proper nav. For the game, but I'm gonna try and use my own models. And I did not set the references. Agent and helper is here. Okay. Look, I would prefer to, I'm guessing that's an issue. Maybe it's the wish velocity? Okay. I don't know what the issue is here. Oh, because... Okay. I probably have this on the player still. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Well, if we've learned anything today, it's that this is pretty cool. This is a start. This is a good start. I appreciate this. Right now, at this point, I don't know what the hell to do. You know what I'm gonna do? I don't know what I'm gonna do. But that works. Right now. I would like to, I think the priority should be, the priority of today is, well, we've done the priority. We have a basic enemy set up. If we get them firing, that would be great. So I feel like ideally we could have a get angle. Like if okay, let's just do a basic mock-up right now. Let's do a basic mock-up. So hunt this action attack. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set the attack to be true. We're gonna need. Oh, I should have set up some. Oh, if I can. Like, let's get a basic arrow in. I can get this. I can do pull resource get prefab, and that gets us a proper prefab. So then we can just go result clone. Where are you? Clone game object. Okay. So then we can go game object transform position, and ideally we add in a can we get it vector free? Oh, we can just set it here. Ideally we can add up like 64 there. So that can be our position. Oh wait, I mean, oh wait, my bad. I messed that one up. Well, let's just get position. We can get it. Then we get arithmetic add. And we'll add in 64. So that's our position. And then I think we can, if we go, if we get the plot, and I shouldn't be doing this, but if I go components, game object, scene, oh, that's transform. Oh, fuck. Scene, components, dot get. If I get player controller, and then in descendants, this isn't good, but it's not going to be running too much. Then we're gonna have to get the look at. And then we're gonna have to get the, if we can get the transformed opposition here again. I think if we take away the get this, take away this, that should be our forward vector. And then we look at here, and then the result is going to be the rotation. Why is this saying... Oh, because because I'm a dumbass. Oh, it's hitting itself. Okay, I'm gonna disable hitboxes for now. Okay. So that's doing something. I don't actually think I'm firing it properly. Where is this? Fire. Yeah, I probably don't set the strength of the projectile. Okay. Well, that's fine. Oh, this is a mess. This is an absolute mess. I'm not liking this, but it is what it is. Projectile component. We want to set strength. Oh, how do I... Power to be 1.0. Oh, okay. Okay. Look at that. And ideally we would like figure that out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enable this. Put in projectile, I'm gonna do property, game object, ignore. Dot ignore game object hierarchy. It's gonna be ignore. So then I'll go here, visual logic, dot ignore. I need to make that public. And because I don't have the fuck, I don't actually have things set up. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do right now? I'm gonna watch something together. If I can extend scene, I forgot how to do that. C#. How do you extend something? Because people be doing it all the time. I feel like this has been done before. Because you can do scene, Okay. I feel like I'm close to finding this. I'm at this point, I'm genuinely scrolling through the Discord trying to find this. Fuck. Oh, there's probably something in HC1. I don't know anymore. Because if there's a way, I just want to find something to get the goddamn something. I'm gonna put this on here. Because there's game object extensions. Okay. I feel like I can do this. Here. Okay, and then I can just go here, remove this. Okay. I'm so done with this. Okay, and then I can just go. How do they do it? I'm moving this back in. I don't want to be embarrassed. Public static void. So this one want to be player controller. Oh, what if I do? Wait. Okay, so that just extends it, which is good. So okay, so that's good. Okay. So then for here, I can go. Okay. Do I set? I'm setting the thing, right? Yeah. Yeah. So why is it killing itself? Is it? Oh, I didn't mean to open this. Oh, this is good actually. Invoke state. Okay, so that's private. Public. Can I transition myself? I don't think I can, which is fine. At least we can get the local player. That's good. I think that's ultimately a good thing. I feel like I'm gonna get. This isn't even good music. I just don't want to get taken down, which is probably a big issue. This is a good one, by the way. Like, I really like this song. New Lewis Cole album. Yeah, this song's really good. Okay, well, now we're done with this part. Please tell me this stream is actually of decent quality. It isn't, is it? Look, that's ultimately readable. It's terrible quality, but it's readable. Okay, gang. The next thing on the agenda right now is something. Maybe because, hang on, if I go. Nope, that's still killing itself. That's weird, because it shouldn't be doing that. Look how it's dead and it's still. Yeah. See, I think the thing we need to be doing here is we have to check for a death state, which is probably important. Because if the thing's dead, maybe we just disable the state machine. So how many of these can we fit? This is getting a while. Also, I don't think I have the thingy set up for gravity on this. I guess I'm not down. Yeah, look at that. Also, I have body hopping in. That's not gonna be permanent. I am deleting it. I'm not deleting it, but I'm overhauling movement in a second. I just want to get this part done. And I am a little confused at how I'm going to be going about this, but that's okay. I love doing this. This is genuinely a lot of fun. I think, see, I don't know what I'm going to say. I'm just saying stuff. I am setting ignore, I am doing that. I swear I am. I'm not setting ignore. That is probably something I should be doing. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna just get the game object here. Can I? We should be able to get the... Yeah, it's not that big of a deal. Oh. This? Game object, yeah. Ignore this. Still not working. Maybe because it's here before we run it? Ignore game object hierarchy. So everything's under there. Oh, because I'm not even setting it anymore. I'm not setting it. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. And then if we go here, we set it, bow logic. Maybe do this. Yeah. Boomerang arrow. So then we can go. I need to work on the boomerang arrow a bit more. And then I feel like on def, let's just disable the state machine for now. Property state machine. And then on def, we want to state machine dot enable equals false. And where am I? I'm setting the model physics in the goddamn thing, in the health component for some reason, which is not what I should be doing. I should probably set the goddamn state machine to the thing. Okay, so that is better, and then we can disable a nav mesh agent dot enable equals false, and then I want to also just do the iHealth listener dot on damage. For no other reason than to do random helper damage. Like, how can I hurt it? Let's actually look at the citizen again. Let's see how they do it with Terry. Hit. Damage info? Yeah. 10.0F. Can I just set the damage? This. I don't love this. Okay, let's just do target dot set hurt true or hit. Yeah. Okay, one last thing I would love to do right now is let's do then what we can do here is okay. Yeah. Oh, the hitbox doesn't line up, does it? Actually, can I get a... How do I get the debug view? I think we want physics debug. And that doesn't show the Okay, so that shows up. But hitboxes, it should show the yeah. It sucks, but I'll fix it later. That's fine. Okay. Update time. Let's go RPG agent. Let's go public void update navigation. Tab mesh agent dot target position equals game object dot player dot transform dot position. So then what we're going to do is in the state machine, whenever we move back here, and add an action, and we're going to grab the RPG agent here, and we're going to update navigation. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this. Acceleration is gonna be... It's not gonna look the best, but... Okay, if... Let's also just get the, length. Oh, that's gonna get the distance to, let's just store this here. Player pause, and let's say if there's a distance of, if that is greater than or equal to 30 units, should be fine. Else, mesh agent dot stop. If transform to distance, the distance to that should be, I should get the absolute. Okay, I just need to increase it to maybe like 100. And ideally as well, we consider line of sight. Like if has line of sight to player or is generally within, then we update the navigation again. I think that is something we'll have to do. Um, property, float, max player, distance. I'm gonna set that to 200 units. Because then we can, like, play around with that. So then it'll get around 200 units. Sick. So that works, and that just works. Okay. I love it how, if you just tap, the thing goes behind you really fast. Yeah, so if it's within 200 meters, and let's just say we have line of sight, so let's go. So it turned true. Basically, I don't even think I have a player, collider set up. Hang on, let me just set this one up. Alright, and then we just, set the Z value to 64, and it's at 32, 32, 32. Yeah, so that perfectly matches that. Ideally, we would do more, but yeah. Look at us. So if I set the, I just don't die, do I? Do I even have health set up? Okay, hang on, let me set up health on the player. I think I just completely forgot about that. Yeah, that works. And then I'm guessing when I die the game will just crash. Oh no. Oh, I guess because I didn't set up on model physics. I don't have it set up. Right. Okay. I am pretty happy with this progress. It looks terrible, and I will polish it up in the coming days, but, like, this is, like, pretty good. Like, this is the most farthest I've gotten enemy AI-wise, ever, quite frankly. Okay. So he's dead. This looks terrible, but it's a start. So, I think now, I'm gonna do a bit more work and then I'm gonna end the stream. I think what I'm gonna do next is get the line of sight check done. I don't love having to do a trace, but we'll see how not performant it is. Let me just get this done. So, start pause equals transform dot position plus new vector free. Oh no, we want vector free dot up times 64.0. That's yeah. End pause equals transform dot position dot yeah, I'm not loving this, but we can optimize it later. Alright, hang on, I'm gonna be back in 2 seconds. I'm back. Yeah, this is temporary. Okay, so I would prefer to do this as an array where I can define the distance, but for now this is fine. If trace.hit. So yeah, let's just return. We'll return tr.hit. Oh no, we can't do that. If tr.hit return tr.gameObject equals gameObject.getPlayer.gameObject. Again, this is just shit. This is shit, but and or not has line of sight. So if that's true, great. But if it doesn't have line of sight, it's like it'll stop here, and then I can go behind here, and then I'm gonna go to the state machine, and if I go here and then I add a condition, has line of sight. Okay. I feel like this isn't gonna work very well. Okay, so if this guy... Oh! Okay, it does work, but we would like to have a delay on that. On, like, viewing. But that does work, so that's good. That is really good. Basically, the issue that we're having now is... it's just instant whenever there's line of sight. So, having a delay on that would be nice. Like, if has line of sight and just entered line of sight. I'll have to work on that off camera, but that basically works. And I'm just gonna set this to a prefab right now. Right, and then we'll just see if anything breaks. Because I'm assuming everything's gonna break. Oh, well, nothing's breaking. Yeah, so... ultimately, I'm just gonna guess that, I think the main goal should be to do stuff. The main goal is to do something. I don't know. I'm very tired. But at least we have something resembling a game right now. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna add a bunch in. And then if I get a def screen done tomorrow, I'm gonna say this constitutes as really good. Yeah, the AI needs to be a bit smarter. But undeniably, that works. Oh my god. Shout out to Zix. This state machine stuff's amazing. You know what'd be good? You know what I could do to hack this together? Let's go here. And this is not good. I don't recommend it. If I just do attack, ready, attack, right, and then oh, this needs to be initial still. So set the condition, set the action. And then this condition needs to be this. We'll just so we'll set that up there. Alright, and then the action will be this. Fuck, that's a lot. Okay, so that we'll copy that over. And this action needs to be here. So now we actually have a delay between this. I'm just going to set it back to 1 just so I can test this. But this one will start out of sight. And no, that's still the instance. The instant that it does that. Okay. I see, because that's still there. And that's going to stay, isn't it, until I remove it. Condition and action. Okay. No, it would be in the prefab file. State machine transition from what is it? ID is 7. So we want from hunt to attack. So 6 to 5. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. ID, source ID, target, 6 to 5. I think I did find it. Okay. Okay, that should be good. Yeah, look at that. There is a delay now. That's good. Okay. Perfect. What I'm gonna also do is if I can go to this, can I transfer this into its own little thing? Create custom node. Let's do. Okay, pistol clip, assets, actions, fire arrow, Okay. I need a bunch of stuff. Yeah, how can I... Let me go to the wiki really quickly. And that's not okay. Custom nodes. Okay. Can I do anything? Yeah. It's just gonna be, this shit. Fuck, that's not gonna work either. Okay. So we're just gonna have to copy this back. That's not gonna work. Unless there is support for something. Oh, because I'm an idiot. Because that... No, I'm not. This is actually really bad. Hopefully this works. Okay. Now there's a delay, which is what we want. So, I think that we're done. I just want to be done right now. So, hey, I mean, we got a basic system going here for the state machine, and I'm gonna work on this a lot more. But ultimately, this is a good start. This is a great start. Okay. I'm happy with where we're at today. That's my head. But it's alright. Yeah. I would like the health to disappear, the health bar to go away, but I think this is relatively okay as a start. We have AI set up, not good AI, but AI I can improve. And a bunch of other stuff that we can work on over time. The basics there though. The basics are there. I really like the boomerang arrow, but yeah. Ultimately, the goal is to have a bunch of different arrows. Well, a select few, right? So if I was to go to the enemy guy, and go to the state machine and just go to the bloody thing, I can replace this with, say, the fire arrow. And this isn't gonna look good because I still have the thing set up. Yeah. I'm confused why that isn't fully attached to me. Does, I'm guessing because it emits from one place. It's just not gonna, do shit. Oh well. Ultimately, I think the, I'm just gonna do something here. Projectile, if bullet decal is equal no. Okay, yeah, so if he fires here, it won't. But oh, that's right, because I have the fire set up to be its own thing. I'll get rid of that at some point. But, yeah, it's a bit egregious. It looks really cool though. It does look nice. Yeah. Like, this goes hard. I'm happy with this. Well, I think ultimately I'm just gonna call it quits here for now, because I can't talk to no one for much longer. But if you tuned in, I hope you had something, you took away something from this. You learned I'm an idiot, something along those lines. Today, I personally allowed, I've learned how to, I don't know, extend objects, extend classes. That was good. Alright, bye.